Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. Hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch a video to the end. All these things I really do appreciate. And check out our welcome video to find out more information on our staking pool and find out what our vision is. Alright, today I want to talk about SmartPlace protocol, which is a new partner, or is a partner with IMX. Um, and it's a real interesting project. It's going to be a metaverse slash social media site or protocol. And anyway, I have a link. I've been asked, a number of people have asked me where all these links are. I've put a new area in our Discord under Project Discord links for everyone's Discord. So I'm start putting projects I'm interested in, their Discords in there, or you can just follow this. You can type this in to Discord and follow that and join through our link. So uh, let's see. So what this project is I mean, we're in the very beginning stages. In fact, actually, one thing, if you join the Discord, you will receive and then talk in chat, you'll receive the early bird title. So make sure you do that. That's going to be available until they hit 1,000 subscribers. They usually kind of give bonuses to people that are early on in the game. And so make sure you, or not subscribers, but members of their Discord channel. So make sure you do join their Discord and say something in chat to receive that title. Maybe you'll get in before the 1,000 mark is hit. What their project is, again, like I said, is a metaverse slash social media site, but it kind of has a little twist. It actually encourages you to have in life interactions with people. Um, for instance, the way it's going to work is if like say I have a basketball game going on. Look, they have an example down here. We'll just go down here to the bottom of their website. You know, little thing here. I have a basketball game going on. I'm missing a player. I'll get on their site. I'll say, hey, look, I'm playing at so and so and so and so. We got a game going. We're missing a player. Anybody want to join? Somebody responds, comes over, starts playing. You're actually gonna get paid out for that. You know, I'm new to town. I want to take a jog. I don't want to jog by myself. I don't know where the safe area is and all that stuff. Just don't want to, want to feel it out, see where everything's at. Um, just want some company. Hey, I'm taking a jog. Anybody want to jog? Are there any jogging teams? Um, meet up with people. Meet up with people on the site, um, and you get paid for that. You get tokens for that. So same thing with yoga or whatever you have. Your business. If you advertise your business, somebody come uses your service, creates a real in-life interaction, tokens for that. Any real life interaction, you get tokens for. Okay. So, got a gaming club. I have this. I have that. So this is the way that it looks right now. So you're going to be rewarded in their coin, their smart coin, and their NFTs. Gives a little bit of examples here. Workers. Hey, I'm working on this project. I'm working on a programming project. Anybody interested in working on it with me? Then you meet up. Yeah, okay. Then you're going to get paid out for it. Kids in school. Somebody put a listing. I'm tutoring. Anybody need tutoring? They meet up. You tutor somebody. You get paid for it. Right? Basketball, yoga, again. Just the endless the abilities are endless, right? And the metaverse really needs to be like online marketplace, and that's what this looks like. It's meeting thoughts, needs, and services, connecting you to people with that can fulfill your thoughts, needs, or service, or join your program or whatever, and you're going to be paid for it at the same time. So I encourage you to check this out. They have some good partners, very good partners. Lots of stuff going on here. Very good partners. That's one thing that I check for. Very good team. Check the team out. Um, so professional people, good looking team. Check them out. Their roadmap, strategic partners. So it's right where they're at. They're going to do a LAN NFT sale. So this is going to be a metaverse. Then their ISPO will start. So and none of this has started yet. They're doing the strategic partners phase. Land sale and ISPO has not been initiated yet. Integration of wallets and launch an app. Okay. So anyway, I encourage you to check this out. Join their Discord. Use our link so that they, use our. If you don't mind using our link, I would appreciate it. Go to our Discord site. Use our link. I'll put a link to this in this video of their Discord as well. And I really do appreciate that. So, anyway, that's that. That's about what I have for you today. It's a rainy day here. So here, check out the scenery. It's beautiful though. I'm not at my house. I'm up in the mountains. And just spending time with my family. Make sure you all get some family time in. Make sure you're thankful for your family. And even if you don't like them or not, it's good to have family. Get along with them, right? So, anyway, y'all are beautiful, and I hope your trading's going well. I'll see you next time.